Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, my Instagram handle is right down below. I update a lot on there. This is my first cleaning video in the last 4 months after moving states and being away from family. I'm currently 31 weeks pregnant and also have a 2-year-old daughter, and life is just crazy and I'm so excited to get back into the swing of things. If you don't already know, we just moved into this house about 4 months ago and it is really kind of a fixer-upper. As you can tell, the backsplash here is missing and it's just drywall. We have tons and tons of projects that we're in the middle of or getting ready to do. We're just trying to decide at this moment what is more important before a baby comes and what can wait afterwards. We bought this house only knowing that we were going to live in it for 3 to 4 years and then resell. So we have a lot of things that we're updating, and there's a lot of painting to be done and remodeling. So if you guys want to see any of that, please stick around. I will be doing tons of those types of videos. One of the projects that we're going to be doing is redoing and organizing this pantry, which is a complete and total mess. But I went to Walmart, bought these little turntables, and it is going to be one of the organization methods that I will be using. And at this moment, I'm just trying to get them out of the way and in the cabinet. So there's no rhyme or reason to this. I'm just trying to put them in there and I will organize it later. Today I'm going to be using the Thieves Cleaner from the Young Living brand to clean my house. I've been using this for everything. It is so nice. It smells amazing. I don't actually add any other essential oils to it because I love the smell of the actual cleaner. But this bottle I bought probably 3 months ago and I use it all the time, and it's only a cap full with about 2-3 cups of water. And the stuff works amazing. I love it. So that's what I use all throughout my whole house. Comment down below and let me know your favorite cleaner and what you guys like to use that's more natural in your house. I'm also curious, if you guys want to see more home decor type of videos, please comment down below and let me know. This is our master bedroom, and it's actually a really grand room. You can't see it in this video, but there is tray ceilings and it has beautiful lighting. Everything is pretty much white in it right now, or this off-colored white that's throughout my whole house. But I'm trying to figure out what color I want to paint this room, and if I want to do another wood wall accent wall behind the bed like I did in our last house. If you have any suggestions, please comment down below and feel free to let me know. I am diffusing my new favorite oil that I just got in my starter kit from Young Living called Stress Away. I am not joking. This stuff is no joke. It smells so amazing. It makes me in such a better mood. I've just kind of been in this up and down mood ever since we moved. It's really hard living away from family and friends after you've lived near them for so long, but this stuff has definitely helped me out. If you guys are curious, please comment down below or message me and I can definitely show you and tell you more about these oils. They've definitely done a lot for me and my family.